Good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. This is the battle between the Don Bosco Mandaluyong versus the Don Bosco Makati. Ayan, sa aking kaliwa ang Don Bosco Makati sa pangungunayan nila Zeus Rodriguez. At sa aking kaliwa naman ang Don Bosco Mandaluyong headed by Kobe Galang. And a shout out po kila Ma'am Rose Galang for inviting me here para i-cover ang isang namang kapanapanabik na laban between the Battle of Don Bosco. Good luck and congratulations po sa mananalo ngayong araw. Ayan o. By jersey number 11, Kobe Galang of Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Tignan natin ang hadal, coach. Okay, let's the battle begin. Kita tayo. Good luck, boys. First ball, mapapunta sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Steal by Rodriguez. Ayun na ang Don Bosco Makati. Pull up J, no good. Rodriguez pinasa loob and there's a foul. That is Castillo. That is first personal foul, first team foul para sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong. First basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Number 7. Pass number 0, naka-recovered using the glass, no good. Rebound. Ayan na, oopsie, out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Mandaluyong. Oh, steal. Rodriguez, too strong. Steal by number 17. And out of bounds. Number 20, pass to number 7. To number 18, basket is good. naman in favor of the Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Nasa loob. Ayan na, wala. Rebound by Castillo. Pass number 5. Bad pass, steal. Libre doon para sa Makati. Ayan na ang pressure defense ng Don Bosco Makati. Maitatawid with steal. Uy, fake. There's a foul. Second shot is good. It's 4-2. Number 7. Uy, spin! Block there. Castillo. Ay na, nagagawan with steal ng Makati. Attacking the basket, and there's a foul. Offensive foul ang tinawag. Time remaining 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Number 7. Bounce pass, Castillo, blocked. Ay, nahabol ni Castillo. Derecho, no good. Rebound by Castillo. Pass to number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali. Derecho, and there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 0. Hindi nakita. Nang Don Bosco Makati doon. Number 15. Pinasa elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Castillo. Pass number 0 to number 7. Pass to number 10. Nabitawan. Ayan na. Steal. Makati with attack. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 0. Second shot. First shot by number 15. No good. Second shot is good. Balik ang kalamangan sa Mandaluyong. Steal. Uy. Correction. 7-4. Ang ating talahan. Number 7. Another steal again. Fake. Back pedal. In and out. Sumagot. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. By Galang. Uy, what a spin by Galang. Kobe. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound there ng Makati. Oh, block by number 7. But there's a foul. Shooting in the line, jersey number 7. Acorda. No good. Second shot para kay Acorda. No good. Rebound by number 11. Ayan na, number 17. Pass to number 7. Crossover. Kick out. Number 17 with a jump shot. No good. Rebound. Ayan na si Acorda. Derecho. Basket is good. 9-4 ang ating talaan. Galang. Pass to number 7. Spin. Uy, what a pass. Basket count. Walang foul. Ayan na. Acorda with the dribble. Acorda with the pass. Uy, nakalusot si number 9. Assist by Acorda. Galang. Pass number 7. Number 7. Fake. Pass na Galang. Kobe. To number 17. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Outlet pass. Acorda all the way. Basket. 13-6. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Number 17. The number 7. Pass to Galang. Steal ng mga taga Makati. Ayan na. Acorda all the way. Wala daw timeout. Wala pa. Oopsie. Timeout. Don Bosco Mandaluyong. The official score is 15-6 in favor pa rin sa Don Bosco Makati. Time remaining 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Kaya natin, head coach para sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Back to the ball game. Number 7. Pass to Galang. Galang floater, no good. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Makati. Ayan na si Acorda. Acorda cross, pinigais, ano ng big man, attacking the basket, and there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 9. Oy. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Castillo. Oh, steal. Another steal by Castillo. Castillo, may tangan ng bola. Pass to number 1, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound, pass to number 20, catch and shoot, no good. Castillo, and out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. Kobe 4-3. Oh, 3-point by Kobe Galang. Pinasa corner, jump shot, too strong. No good. Rebound. Nabitawan, last touch, same ball. Ayan na ang Don Bosco Mandaluyong, number 7. There's a foul. Number Colby, may panga ng bola. Pass number 7. Binigay sa corner, number 20. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Acorda. Uy. No good. Offensive rebound. Acorda with the ball. Pinas sa corner. Back to Acorda. From elbow to reach. Uy. 3-point para sa Don Bosco Makati. Number 7. What a pass to Castillo. Basket is good. Down by 8. Acorda. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score 11 and 19. In favor pa rin sa Don Bosco Makati. Idala ko na sa ating second quarter. Good luck for both teams. Alright, ayan na, rebound ng mga naka-blue. Thank you. Number 17, and it's a blocking foul. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 17. First shot, no good. Second shot, number 17, no good. Rebound. Number 17, kick out. Side step, pass number 0, no good. Good pa rin. Nakakalit dito. Ayun na, short. Offensive rebound, number 20. Pass number 17. Pass to Galang. Kobe. Spin, attack in the basket. Basket is good. Oh, steal. Kobe, no good. Rebound. Where's the foul? Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati. Oh, steal. There's a foul. Number 31, Cosquera. Steal ng Don Bosco Makati. Acorda, no good. Rebound by Galang. Galang nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Houston Douglas, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ng Makati. Steal by Galang. What a hustle by Kobe. Number 7. Attack the baskets and one by jersey number 7. That is Rivera. Time remaining 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Rivera, no good. Rebound. Pass to number 15. Back to Acorda. Pinasa loob. Nice fake. Tumira. Napalakas nga lang. Pero offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Ay na. Good defense para sa Mandaluyong. Number 7. Uy. Steal by Acorda. Uy. Nakalusot. Pero wala pa rin. Rebound ng Mandaluyong. Number 17. Oh, bad pass. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Steal ng Mandaluyong. Pass to Galang. Aynas Galang. Side step. Whoa! What a move by Kobe Galang. 19-17. Ayan na. Pass to Acorda. Acorda, didiskarte. Binigasok sa loob. Rodriguez using the board. Basket yan. And a shout out kala Alfonso Rodriguez with a steal. Use kinaliwa. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati. Pinasa kay Acorda. Pull-up J. Basket is good. 23-17 lamang ang Makati. Oh, another steal. Acorda. Let's go Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Di pa tapos ang laban. Galang. Oh, steal. Acorda. Nakalusot. Time out. Don Bosco Mandaluyong. The official score 17-27. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Let's go Mandaluyong. Time remaining po natin is 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Go Kobe. Alright, bola dito ng Don Bosco Mandaluyong. And out of bounds. Ayan na si Kobe. Kobe with a cross. Ayan na ang double team. Steal by Acorda. What an extra pass. No good nga lang. Kinasa corner. Acorda attacking the basket. Blocked by Castillo. Pinas sa corner. Gets the shot. No good. Rebound by Castillo. Pass to Galang. Let's go, Kobe. Kobe attacking the basket. Ayan na si Kobe. Basket is good by Kobe. Galang. Ayan na, binigay. Acorda. What an extra pass kay number 9. Let's go, Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Uy, nakakuha, naka-recover si Galang. Pass to Galang. Ayan ang double team. Steal by Acorda. Acorda, may tangan ng bola. Acorda, sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Kobe. Kobe, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Timeout. Don Bosco Makati. With official score is 29-19. And the time remaining 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Back to the ball game. Let's go, Kobe. Crossover. Pass to Galang. Galang. Floater. Basket is good. Ayun na. Mahabol na ang Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Binigay sa corner. Ooh, what a steal by Castillo. Pass to Galang. Number 16. Nabitawan nga lang to number 17. Tumira, no good. Rebound. Nakuha number 9. Pass to Acorda. Bounce pass to number 16. Nakalusot doon. $31-21. Let's go, Don Bosco Manda. Number 17, no good. Rebound by Castillo. Binoba, what an extra pass. Basket is good by number 15. And selfish play para kay Castillo to get the basket. Ayan na. Uy, no good. Rebound by Castillo. Pass to Galang. Another steal. Acorda with a strong drive. Balik ulit sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Uy. Ayan na. Si Acorda. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound by number 9. No good. Number 9. Wala pa rin. Steal by number 17. Number 17. Tumira, nakalusot. Rebound by Galang. Using the board. Basket. Para kay Kobe. Down by 8. Ayan na. Pinas sa corner. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. To number 17. That is 8 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Makati. Pinasa sa corner. Get the shot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to Galang. Galang. Are-derecho, but there's a foul. Time remaining, last 20 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 11, Kobe Galang. First shot para kay Galang. Basket is good. Let's go, Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Galang, no good. Offensive rebound. Castillo, wala pa rin. Rebound, Castillo, kick out to number 7. Basket by number 7. Ayan na, 5 na lang ang hinahabol. Acorda with a strong drive. Oh. And that's the end. Our first half official score, 28-33 in favor pa rin sa Don Bosco Makati. Ay muli, shoutout kay Mrs. Galang, kay Ma'am Rose P. Galang. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And good luck to our team, the Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Alright. Halftime tayo, magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. Tumira sa corner, no good. Rebound by Galang. Strip. Number 14, pinasa loob. Too strong, offensive rebound. no good. Rebound by Galang. Galang nagmamadali. Ayan na. Oy! What a move! By Kobe Galang. Grabe naman ang execution doon ni Kobe. Let's go. Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Acorda. Pass number 14. Back to Acorda. Number 8. Oh, number 9. Basket is good. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1 steal by Acorda. Uy, walang tawag ati referee. Out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Galang with the ball. Ayan na si Galang. Oh, steal. Ayan na, 2 against 1. What an extra pass to Acorda. 37-30. Galang. May tanga na bola. Ayan na, double team. Galang, side step. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to. Ayan na, Makati. Binigay. Oh, too strong. Rebound para sa putback. 39-30. Let's go. Number 1. Naitawid, but there's a foul. Bola rito na ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Oh, steal by Rodriguez. Pass to Acorda, all the way by Acorda. Time out dito ang ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. With official scores 41-30. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Kobe Galang. May tanga ng bola. Oy! Bad pass. Out of bounds. Don Bosco Makati. Basketball. Acorda. Pass to number 4. Back to Acorda. Acorda to Zeus. Pinasa sa corner. Jump shot. Oy! Is it a 3-point daw? Sabi ng ating referee. 44-30. Let's go, Mandaluyong. Oh, another steal. Acorda. No good. He missed the shot. Rebound by number 1. Pass to Galang. Steal by Acorda. Acorda binigay sa loob. Stop and pump. Basket. 16-point lead na ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Galang up and under. What a nice pass to number 20. 32-46 in favor pa rin sa Don Bosco Makati. Acorda from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 20. To Galang. Kobe, atake, spin. Uy! What a nice move once again by Kobe. Galang. Ganda naman ang pihit nun. Oh, steal by Kobe. Kobe behind the back. Ayan na, steal by Acorda. Acorda attacking the basket. Oh! What a dipsy do by Kobe. By Acorda, jersey number 15. Para sa Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na, pass number 17. Number 17, binigay sa corner. Number 20. Oopsie. There's a foul. Number. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Sa loob. To number 1. Fake. Pass to number 7. Spin. Uy! No good. Makuha ng Makati. Ayan na. All the way. 34-50. Balik sa 16-point lead. Anana, steal. Acorda, floater, no good. Rebound by Acorda. Fake. Tumira, using the board. Basket is good. 52-34. Number 7. Kaya na si number 7. Nabitawan. Pass to number 1. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 9. Ay na ang Don Bosco Makati. Acorda all the way. 20-point lead para sa Don Bosco Makati. The biggest lead of the game. Ay na si number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 0. Floater using the board. No good. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Acorda. Lilipat sa kaliwa. Oy! Nakalusot si number 9. 56-34. Number 7. Ayan na si number 7. Bounce pass to number 20. Yes, sir. Baba sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Number 14, pass to Acorda. Acorda with the Hesi. Acorda with the pass to number 9. Libre. Easy 2-point by jersey number 9. Time out muli dito ang Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Parang wala si Kobe dito. Where he is. Alright. Official score 58-36 with the time remaining 1 minute and 41 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 7. Number 7, back pedal. Number 7. Oh, steal by number 9. But there's a foul. Number 7, and there's a foul. Number 9, Nogales. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Rivera. Basket by Rivera. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Pass to Rivera. What a spin. To Castillo. Too strong. Rebound ng mga taga Makati. Don Bosco. Makati. Number 3. Pass to Nogales. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Sorry, that's number 1. Number 1. Ooh, number 17. Uy, steal. Ayan na ang Don Bosco Makati. Pinasa sa loob using the board. Basket. Let's go Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Number 7. Rivera setting on the screen. Rivera, sidestep, and there's a foul. Number 22. Shooting on the line, jersey number 7, Rivera. Time remaining, last 2 seconds. First shot, no good. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score 60 and 37. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Let's go! Fourth quarter. Oy! Nice shot by Kobe. No good. Rebound ng mga taga Makati. Bola rito ng ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Time remaining 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Rivera. Pass to number 3. No good. Rebound ng Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na. Attacking the basket. No good. And there's a foul. Rivera setting on the screen. Fake. Using the board. No good. Rebound again by Rivera. Steal ng Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound by Kobe. Kobe. Galang. May tangan ng bola. Binigay sa loob. Fake. Oh, there's a foul. Blue ball. On the free throw area, jersey number 7. That is Rivera Jr. on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Time remaining po natin, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Rivera Jr. on the free throw area for the second time. Rivera, no good. Offensive rebound by Galang. Nabitawan at nag-aagawan sila dito. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati. Time remaining 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Ayan na, no bali. Pinagay, jump shot. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Castillo. Rivera Jr. May tangan ng bola. Oh, sorry, that's number 17. Ayan na, si Rivera. Half step, tumira, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 7, Rivera Jr. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Rivera Jr. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan na, pressure defense ng ating team. Let's go. Oy, nakalusot. Steal by Galang. Pass to Rivera Jr. all the way. No good. Rebound ng Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na. Pinigay. Oy, what an extra pass. Too strong. Nagagawan. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Steal by Kobe. Ayan na si Galang. What an extra pass. Rivera Jr. all the way. No good. Rebound. Number 17. Pass to Galang. 4-3. Yes, sir! 3-point by Kobe. Galang. Ayan na ang Don Bosco Makati. Tumira, block by number 0. Pass to Rivera Jr. Pass to number 17. Uy! Oh, parang baliktad. This is Rivera Jr. rather. 45-60. Mabasa 15 na lamang ang inahabol ng Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Time remaining po natin. It's a 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Bola rito ng Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na. Fake. Attacking the basket. Kick out. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Galang. Oh, steal. Number 4 to number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound again ng Makati. Uy. Tawag ating referee doon. Number 3. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Rivera Jr. Rivera. Oh, there's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Shooting in the line, jersey number 7, Rivera Jr. First shot para kay Rivera Jr. Basket is good. Ay na, 14 na lamang ang inahabol ng ating team. Second shot para kay Rivera Jr. Basket is good. Official score po natin is 46-60. Number 7, no good. Kick out to Galang, 4-3, no good. Nasa loob, fake. Using the board, no good. Ay na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito, mapupunta sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Santos. May tangan ng bola. Santos. Munti kang pamagawan. Pass to Galang. Binigay. Number 0, running shot. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Rob Rivera. Pass to Galang. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ng Don Bosco Makati. Ayan na. Fake. Tinasaan ng kamay. Wala. Offensive rebound. Pinasa sa gitna. Basket para sa Don Bosco Makati. (46-62). Number 7. Pass to number 0. Oh, there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 11. That is Colby Galang. Basket is good. Second shot para kay Colby. Colby, no good. Offensive rebound, number 0. Get the shot, and there's a foul. Sorry, that's Castillo on the free throw area. Second shot para kay Castillo knocks it down. 48 to 62. Ayan na, number 3. Blocked by number 0. Naka-recover. Get the shot. Number 17 from Don Bosco Makati. Galang with the spin. Galang with the hesi. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Castillo. Binomba, tumira, wala. Offensive rebound, makukuha ni Galang. Galang, get the space. Basket para kay Galang. 50-64, 14 na lamang ang inahabol ng Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Number 3 for 3. Nakachamba doon. Ay nakatira ng 3. Si number 3. Time remaining 1 minute and 26 seconds. Galang with the ball. Kobe. Oh, steal. Number 17, no good. Number 18, 40 the putback. Balik ulit sa 19 ang kalamangan ng Don Bosco Makati. Rivera Jr. may tanga ng bola. Bounce pass to number 10, Castillo. Last 47 seconds remaining. Pass to number 3. Inuubos na lamang ang oras, but there's a foul. Time remaining. Last 35 seconds remaining. Bola pa rin dito ng Don Bosco Makati. Gets the 3. Short. Out of bounds. Bola ng Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Oopsie. Ayan na, nagagawan. Uy. Ang cute. Time remaining. Last 13 seconds. There's a foul. Time remaining. Last 5.4 seconds. Sorry, that's 9.4 seconds. Shooting on the line, the jersey number 7, Rivera Jr. Second shot is good by Rivera Jr. Ayan na. Tumira, and there you have it. What a nice and intense games for both teams. Congratulations to our winning team na Don Bosco Makati, and a nice game para sa ating Don Bosco Mandaluyong. And muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita, and God bless everyone. Muli, maraming salamat po to all the parents, especially from Don Bosco Mandaluyong. Ayan, kaya shoutout po kay Ma'am Rose Galang. It's an honor po na makover ang inyong mga laban. Hanggang sa muli po natin pagkikita, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. And shoutout din kala Sir Raspe and Sir Alfonso Rodriguez is watching. Yes, sa mga nakita ko po dito. And kasama kanyang may bahay, the Alfonso, the Rodriguez family. Ayan. Zaraspe, and also especially sa Galang family. Maraming salamat po. At hanggang sa muli.